And we're looking at another hot day, kind of like a broken record for much of mid-Missouri. Temperature is going to be back into the upper 90s this afternoon. Currently recording at 12:30. We're looking at 90 degrees and not seeing much cloud cover as we start to look west over Business Loop. Now this afternoon, since we're not seeing too much cloud cover, that UV index is going to be a level 9, so burn time 20 minutes or less. Going to want to have the SPF protection 30 or higher. Just to go ahead and eliminate the chance for some sunburns. Now, temperature is going to continue to steadily increase until we get to about 3 o'clock. Then we're going to be plateauing out into the upper 90s, just below 100 degrees. Some areas like Jefferson City could see 101 for our afternoon high. And by 7 p.m., temperatures start to taper off. Going to be a slow taper off, as by 9 p.m., still into the upper 80s. Going to be a warm around. But we are tracking also these drier conditions across much of central Missouri. Through the start of summer, we're over 3 inches short of what we usually see, and in July alone, we're an inch and a half short of where we would be this time on average. So we're going to be tracking these severe drought conditions throughout the next several days as temperatures looking high and conditions looking pretty dry. Now, as we start to head off into Friday, we're going to be reaching that triple-digit mark, so you're going to want to wear that sunscreen and stay very hydrated. Then we head off into Saturday. Going to be the hottest day in our 7-day forecast, 102 degrees. That heat index going to surpass the 105-degree mark. So going to want to drink plenty of water and go ahead and maybe just stay in the shade or AC if you get a chance. Now, we are tracking high-pressure systems pretty much blanking central Missouri, but those are going to start to pull back out as we head off into Friday afternoon and Friday night. Going to see some chances of a little bit of cloud cover starting to slide back in, with some scattered chances of some showers and storms. Then off to the northwest as we approach Saturday noon. You're seeing a cold front, yes, a cold front slide back through. This time going to be bringing some moisture across much of central Missouri, helping us out, but not really going to feel those effects until Sunday morning. That's when we'll see these chances of some scattered showers and storms across much of central Missouri. And this front going to be here to stay as we head off into next week. So going to be tracking more chances of from rainfall, which is going to be helping. We'll take anything we can get here in central Missouri, and going to be helping cool those temperatures down just a tad bit back to the mid-90s, and even some days down to the lower. So looking about a little relief as we head off into next week.